Hi friends, how are you doing today? And thanks for joining me for today's video in which I have a big announcement for all of you. Are you a GD student or an academic student who wish to score 7 in IELTS writing? Are you the one? Yes, many students struggle to score 7 in the IELTS writing. Their scores get stuck at 6 or 6.5 and they have tough time to move to 7. Now, along with our online IELTS training, we are going to help you in a different way, and that is the launch of our Writing Booster. This is the book that is going to help you to secure 7 in the IELTS writing. There are already many books available. Now the question would be, why to purchase Writing Booster? Earlier there were so many books available for the IELTS speaking test preparation. The time students started to follow me on YouTube, they realized how practical and how easy it is to score well in IELTS speaking just by following the way I teach you how to present yourself in the IELTS speaking exam. Students started to follow me and started to purchase IELTS Speaking Booster, and today it is one of the best-selling IELTS speaking books, and literally whosoever purchased this book never regret, because literally this book helps students to achieve scores much higher than their expectation. And this is what the Writing Booster is going to do as well. It is going to have similar features as well. For example, it is going to be an electronic book just like Speaking Booster. It is going to be available globally. Students from any part of the world can purchase it. It is going to give you the instant access. As soon as you make the payment, the book would be unlocked. It would be having the live contents. That means it would be dynamic in nature, and as soon as we have the new updates related to the IELTS writing, we will keep on updating it. That means, for example, we are planned to update it on monthly basis. During 1 month period, whatever the writing task 1, task 2 are going to be there at different locations that we get to know, we are going to append in this book, and later on the buyers would get to know about the latest tasks along with their sample answers. The book would be having a similar interface like Speaking Booster, which would make it really interactive and comfortable to read. Now you all have one question on your mind, that how you can purchase it. Let me quickly tell you, just like Speaking Booster, you will find this book available on my IELTS coaching application. If you're an Android user, download IELTS coaching application. For Apple users, you have to download My Institute and enter code RAELTS. This is the homepage of my application, and at the bottom you see the store. Click here and you will find all my paid courses, and here you will see IELTS Writing Band 7 book. And all that you have to do is click on it, make card payment to unlock it. Now, what is the offer? Let me quickly tell you about the offer. Saturday and Sunday. The official launch is Monday. That means this book would be live in your course on Monday. But this weekend is going to be the time for you to purchase it at a massive discount. The original price is going to be 999, but we are going to introduce it at only 40%. That means it's 60% off for those students who are going to purchase it this weekend at 399. The book would not be available. It's only for those who trust me, who know the quality. You have to purchase it by making the payment, and in your course on Monday the book would appear, and those who would be purchasing afterwards, undoubtedly they would have to pay much higher amount. So if you want to avail the introductory offer of our new Writing Booster, then download the IELTS coaching application, and just by paying $399, unlock the book today. Well, within a week or 10 days time, we are planning to come up with another book that would help you to score from 5.5 to 6.5, focusing on the academic students with minimum band requirement of 6 each. This book would be available, and soon we will inform you about the launch of that book as well. Right now, I say goodbye and I want you to see downloading application Ielts Coaching on your mobile phones and unlocking this course so that as soon as the book get uploaded on Monday, you'll be the first one to access it. Thanks for joining. Bye-bye for now.